Hello students, in this video under the modern e-learning program we are going to discuss about causes of the poverty. As you know, we have discussed causes of poverty not in the world but in India, in which the first point we can say British rule. Actually, a long period of British rule was present in India. That was the time of wealth drainage. Indian wealth was drained by English from India to England, and no any development work had happened in India. It was the real, or in opposite of it we can say the cottage industry that was the main factor of Indian prosperity was destroyed by the British. It was the main cause of Indian poverty. Second, rural economy. Actually, India's 64% about 64% population are depend on agriculture. But do you know only one third national income is coming from agriculture? Means population is more than half, about 3/4, and income 1/3. Because only the first 5-year plan was given to agriculture. After the first 5-year plan, no any 5-year plan is especially derived or given to agriculture. Due to it, the development of agriculture had not happened. Before independence, no any attention was given, because each and every section wanted to concentrate the power, concentrate the money in his hand. Such type of arrangement was done by British. Third, heavy pressure of population. Actually, Indian population started to increase rapidly, and as you know, in the absence of human resource industries as well as resources, the main population pressure was started to give pressure over agriculture. Here, do you know, in 1951 only 361 million population was present in India, and in 2011 about 1 to 2 million. Try to consider which type of increasement in population was seen in India. And as well as next, chronic unemployment and under employment. Actually, due to the excess population, different type of unemployment was present in India, as well as underemployment. Means population was seen underemployment, but actually they were unemployed. Such situation is called as underemployment. Here, after it we can say lack of capital and producers goods in India. Actually, in the second 5-year plan, our government has started to give attention towards the establishment of industries, but only 3% persons were engaged in the big industries. Only such type of industries are not present in India that producing capital as well as producer goods in India. Means robotics, such type of machine that is used for establishing इंडस्ट्रीज. इंडस्ट्री में जो मशीन लगता है वैसे मशीनों का उत्पादन भारत में नहीं हो रहा था. इट वाज ऑल्सो काउज ऑफ, बट जनरल कंज्यूमर गुड्स इंडस्ट्रीज वेयर ए लॉट लाइक ए सॉप, वैसलीन, ऑयल, such type of consumer goods. A lot industries had set up in India, but capital and producers goods industries were or are not present in India. Now you have heard about a lot industries are going to be set up in India in defense. Now such type of policy had taken. as well as we can see social factors. Social factors are also responsible because illiteracy that is based on our social belief, large size of family in India, संयुक्त परिवार in which दो चार वो ऐसे आलसी होते हैं जिसका जिंदगी बिना काम किए कट जाता है. Such type of factors as well as law of inheritance, हिस्सा हमारा है जमीन का बंटवारा, means a small holding, non-profitable agriculture is the best of law of inheritance, as well as we can say caste system. Such type of social factors are responsible for our poverty. It's are considered as the main causes of poverty. And next